This music is a little obnoxious. Bitch! At least you gave me some armor. What the hell? Easy, boss, is easy! Okay, now we go to the Magic Forest. Do I still have my extendo penis? Nope. I guess that's just for each level. That doesn't seem very useful at all. It isn't. Fuck that weapon. We're going back to the awesome one. Invincibility from Dumbo. Oh, you bastard! That was bullshit! I don't want that. I want my invincibility back, you faggot. I should have just kept going. Is that an item or what? Okay, it's a monster. What? What? It's immune to the awesome weapon? That's impossible. Nothing's immune to the awesome weapon. We're gonna have to change our tactic here. I guess this weapon has a use after all. Fucking get out of my way, shit. I got another heart, but I do not have any life to put in it. That wasn't what I meant to do. How the hell? Come on, man. I can't even jump that high. There we go. I want to know what diet this guy was on that he can jump on leaves like this. Ugh. Thank God that's over. Oh my God, I can't hurt him. He's invincible. What are you going to give me that I want? I don't care about extendo penis anymore. Are these bad? No, they're platforms. faggot. It's not even the weapon I wanted. Ow. Okay. Because it was really the weapon I wanted. Where the hell is my save phase? Another easy boss, huh? No! It was all a trap! What the fuck? Okay, whatever. Hello! Is this near the beginning of the game, though? No, it's not. That's awesome. That's about as awesome as it gets. I cannot escape that hit. Ha 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 ha! Okay, so I got the power of Spider. What the fuck? Oh snap! It's the physics gun. I don't like it. I'd rather get things from my enemies. Well, this music's kinda cool. Thank you. You're quite nice. Oh my god. Thank you. Holy shit, this actually works. Sort of. Come on, dude. What the fuck was that? Holy shit. No! This kind of reminds me of Final Fantasy music. Fuck! Goddamn ice physics.